Hello, my name is Anil Kumar. I am a student of DN Polytechnic Meerut. Through this video, I will be explaining to you about my innovative idea. As per National Crime Record Bureau, in the year 2020, approximately 9,110 people are died due to fire incident. On an average, 24 people per day are died due to fire incident. In the most of the cases, time taken by fire brigade team is considerably more due to road condition, place position and traffic condition. As soon as the fire brigade team come, arrange the extinguisher and equipment, the fire become very dangerous due to which many people lost their life. By using this device, the fire on the building and other high places can be easily controlled in a short time, due to which can be saved many people life. Life of the fireman will also be less risk. When a fire is break out in a power plant and an electrical substation, the worker working there get catch in the fire. The pressure of the fire extinguisher is not enough to extinguish the fire by staying away. Going near an electrical fire and extinguishing it, there is a danger of the life due to both electrical shock and fire. So in this device, remove to such constraint a device known as a adjustable water pipe drone fire extinguisher. Our country really needs this device. This device can be used in college, power plant, big buildings, fuel station, railway station, and home. How it will be work? This device can be used in two forms. First one is when the fire is extinguished by water only. When the fire is control application water only, this is applicable for big building or office college building where the fire hydrant system is already exist. In this system, delivery hose pipe is connected with drone, spray the affected areas. Especially that areas where fire brigade is not be reached, this system is controlled by remote. Second one is when the fire is not extinguishing by water. When a fire has started at a place where cannot be used water for extinguishing the fire, such as a fire in a power plant and substation, for that we put the cylindrical fire extinguishing cylinder for more diameter and less length in the drone. Inside the cylinder fill the DCB and create the pressure by nitrogen gas. Set up the cartridge in the such a way that can be controlled by remote. Now taking on the fire extinguisher remotely control at the place where fire has started, the drone punch the extinguisher fitted in the fire extinguisher with help of plunger through the remote control. Due to which the powder is released with high pressure, but the high pressure powder on the fire so that fire extinguished easily.